Optimizing a senior care website for Las Vegas means taking a local-first SEO approach to connect families with your services. Start by researching keywords like memory care near Summerlin and combine them with neighborhood and service terms to attract local traffic. On every page, use focused keywords, clear contact information, and structured content blocks like services and staff bios for better relevance and user experience. Technical SEO and fast site speed are essential, especially since families often search on mobile devices. Make sure your facility's Google business profile is fully optimized with accurate contact details, high-quality photos, and active engagement through posts and review responses. Create dedicated pages for each facility and neighborhood using schema markup and unique content to boost search visibility. Build links from local healthcare providers and community organizations to increase authority. Mobile usability, accessible design, and multilingual content are crucial in serving Las Vegas's diverse communities. Combine organic SEO with targeted PPC campaigns and social media ads to reach families actively searching for care. Finally, simplify contact forms, highlight calls to action, maintain ADA compliance, and nurture leads with engaging email campaigns to build trust and drive more qualified inquiries for your senior care facility.